Welcome guys to another tutorial, and tonight I'm gonna show you how to play Need for Speed Carbon online. All thanks to RX, and that's doing the tutorial. If anybody want to join their Discord server and play the game online, so just follow my steps, right? So first of all, you'll need a copy of the game, right? I have the Redux version and I have the clean version, right? So you need the clean version of the game to play online. So you could download the clean version from an Over Games or anyway. Alright, so if you go to here, alright, I don't download here on Internet Archives. You could download it right here, or you could download it from Over Games. If you download it here, you will have to patch the game to 1.4. I wouldn't show you how to do all of this. I believe it's easy. If you need help to install the game and stuff, you could join my Discord server. Right? That's going to show you how to apply the patch and play online. Alright. So before everything else, you will need this. So let's download it. I already have it downloaded. Let's download it, and then wherever you download it to, let's open it. This is download here. Open it. Alright, this is a short, simple tutorial. Alright, wherever the game is, go up to here. Alright, open the clean copy of the game. Alright, and then drag the online fix to the game folder. Very simple. Just wait until it copy everything. Alright, so you'll start the game with the Bootstrapper exe. You can shortcut that in the desktop. Alright, and you can rename it to Speed for Speed right, and then you will just click the exe here to start the game. Alright, all this, let's go back to here, read the instructions, right? So you need to connect to this, and before you could go into the server, you need to download this, read the instructions, download that. Alright, so this is the code you will need for to connect. Bring this up. Alright, downloads, and I copy this file here. Right, so remember you'll need this. So after that, now just go into the game. Alright, so I'm gonna start at the game now, and I'll be back. Alright guys, we're going to the game now.
Hi. 5.
Skip through all that. Skip through all that, guys. I'm gonna turn off the music. Guide us to this. We just turn on the volume for now. Alright. So guys, you just have to go online, name yourself, type in the address, and click connect. Alright. Now it will say connected to the server, right? And then you'll just press T. And then I don't know if you could check like slash races, so check for races. Oh, just go back to online and you could just read the instructions. All right, or you could just go to quick race, and I believe you could just join the quick race. And if you realize that your game is moving slow like this, I will show you. Go into the game, and just like sprint. Right. So if you go into a game and realize your game moving slow, I will show you to fix that problem, right? Alright. So this is like the online here. Can you see that I selected 2 players? This is online here. Play with players online. If you realize your game is moving slow like this, like bad FPS, I'll show you to fix that, right? So you move it slow and janky, I'll show you to fix that problem. Alright, so this is like the online mode now, playing online. I believe, I don't know if I'm correct, but I believe it uses the quick race function to force players and stuff for join a quick race and race against each other. I believe that's how it works. But this is definitely online, guys. So I'll show you to fix the bad FPS, right? So I'll be back, guys. So let's exit the game. Right. Quick erase. So if you want to fix that stupid bad FPS, right click, open file location, go to Need for Speed Carbon Online, go to you'll open this with Notepad and change borderless to full. Alright, but first I believe you have to copy the file before you could do that. Alright, so you need to copy the file like this. I will show you to do that. Copy, paste it in the desktop. Open it up and change this to full. So that should fix the bad FPS. Once you're done with that, copy it back to where the game is. Copy it back here. Replace. Yeah. And then go back inside the game. see everything moving normal now. Go to the online menu. Connect again. You can connect it online. Go to quick race. Go to another sprint. And as you can see, I will set mine to 2. Traffic to low. Wingman off. So you see the number of players, right? 2 opponents. Select any car. And you'll see that it plays much smoother now than from before. Alright. So you see, these are the players online. You can see the names on them. And you see the game is playing much smoother now. No more bad FPS, no more shakiness. It's playing much better now than before. The reason that it was moving so shaky is because it was in borderless mode and changed it to full. So now the game is playing much better now. And this is the actual multiplayer now online. So that is why you're playing the for Speed Carbon multiplayer, guys, in 2025. Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And you can purchase my merchandise online. Also join the Need for Speed Carbon Discord server and support them, guys. Support them. Alright, you can support them. This is not my fix. This is RX fix, I believe. The team that work on this. Give them all the credits. Right, I'm just trying to help to show you how to play this online. So all credit goes to the guys that made this mod. I am not the creator of this mod. I'm just doing a video to help you guys, right? So join I will put the link to the for Speed Carbon Discord. Join them, support them, and show them all the love, right? I'm just doing the tutorial to help you guys play the game online. And also I'm saying, if you want to purchase my merchandise, feel free. The link will be in the description for that. Okay. So after 2 years waiting, finally this game is back online, better than before. Improved music and stuff. A lot of things have been changed. And yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. And yeah, I'm so glad this is back online again. You could play this. Remember the memories playing this on the PS2. So simple tutorial, guys. All you need is a copy of the game. Make sure your game is 1.24. Make sure your game has the clean files, no modded files, and everything should work well, right? So for further any other issues, join the Need for Speed Carbon online Discord server. Link will be in the description, and support these guys, right? So yeah, it's a pretty amazing game. I really glad that it's back online again. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video to come. Alright, it's just a short tutorial, very easy, very simple. And so if you need help getting the game, then join my Discord server. I try to help you all set up everything, but the main thing is join the for Speed Carbon online Discord server, and they can assist you, right? So thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye.